guys. Welcome aboard, guys. I'm Tristan. I'm going to take us to the London Bridge. If you have any questions throughout the flight, feel free to ask, okay? I'll do my best to answer. Now guys, we've crossed the cliff here. 5 apostles are behind us. Two of them, are in front of us. We'll get a good view of them all on the return leg of the flight. At the left-hand side of the helicopter in the meantime. At the right-hand side you can see a couple of apostles, guys. This stack here with the shrubs on top is the last of the apostles, guys. From here on out, all the rock formations have their own names. We're now passing Muttonbird Island on the right. Broken Head, and a little further along you'll see at the right hand side the baker's oven. Sentinel Rock now on the right hand side, guys. The tallest and largest stack in the Port Campbell National Park, 73 metres high. Port Campbell now on our right hand side, guys. It's population about 600. We can have as many as 3,000 in the town at any one time, the peak of the tourist season. Passing 2 Mile Cove on the right and Shelley Beach next to it. Towards the nose of the helicopter, guys, in the distance you can see the arch stemming from the cliff. And now guys, we're coming past London Bridge, just on our right now, just here. Disconnected from the mainland, although it was connected by a second arch until 1990 when it fell. I'll make a turn here, we'll get another view from the other side of the helicopter as well. And now guys, we have the London Bridge on the left hand side of the helicopter. Again, we're passing the Shelley Beach on the left-hand side, as well as 2 Mile Bay a little further down. Port Campbell now on our left, guys. As I mentioned before, its population about 600. We can have as many as 3,000 in the town though in the peak of the tourist season. That's during the next couple of months. Now we've got Sentinel Rock again on the left-hand side, guys, 73 metres high. And the cliffs in this area are a little higher. You can see some cars driving on the Great Ocean Road that give a good visual reference. Otherwise about the same height as a 20-storey building. Now we're passing Muttonbird Island on the left-hand side again, guys. Up the back there is the Lockhart Gorge. You can see not a view from this angle. The beach at the bottom of the cliff there. And here we have all the apostles again, guys, 7 in total. And the reason for the name 12 Apostles is simply because they were called the Apostles in 1950, renamed to, called the Apostles in 1950, and people started calling them the 12 Apostles, and hence the name today, 12 Apostles. Never actually 12 to begin with, 8 initially, one fell down.